Hello, Zero Hedgers, and welcome to the very first quick chart of the week. I'm AJ Monte, and this is a daily candle chart of Tesla Inc., ticker symbol TSLA. We've heard a lot about what Elon Musk is about to do with the Trump administration coming in January. And initially, investors took that as an opportunity to rally the stock. You can see here, not too long ago, it was trading around $240. It's now pulling back from a high right around the 350 area. And what I'm pointing out right now is not just the quandary that we find ourselves in with Elon Musk building electric vehicles and Donald Trump getting ready to open up the pumps to get oil at a lower price to control inflation. We have the technical signals telling us the stock is overbought. Let me just start off with the daily chart. This is a very quick video. You can get through this in no time. We see this big red candle today after a long stretch of green candles. And that is a pivot point. And as a result of that pivot point, you can see down here, the stochastic oscillator is starting to pivot lower. Down below is my absolute most favorite indicator, and that's the commodity channel index. And once that blue line right there, which is the index itself, crosses below the red line, that will generate a sell signal. So in the short term, I think this stock could pull back to at least fill this gap right around here in the $250 level. But if I take a step back and look at the weekly chart, you're going to see a very different story. Up here is a resistance area that looks like it is holding. Put an R there for that. We see this wide divergence from the moving average. I call that the rubber band effect. There's a very good chance the stock will pull back to that moving average. And again, looking at these oscillators, we have a full-fledged pivot on the stochastic down here and a negative divergence on the CCI. Now, if what I'm telling you right now is completely foreign and you've never really looked at candle charts, and I invite you to come join us and learn as you go. I teach through repetition, and I have a 7-point trading checklist that is very, very effective when it comes to identifying signals. So the weekly chart is giving us a red light right there, and I do believe the stock will pull back to this $250 level. And that is also going to be where we can find what's called role reversal. Former resistance right here that was broken will most often turn to support. So if we get down to that level, we could possibly see a bounce. Again, don't take this as a trade recommendation. I'm just pointing this out as the technical signals are presenting themselves. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comment field whether or not you want me to keep on going each and every week with a new stock, and I'll let the audience drive that ticker symbol. If you have one you want me to look at, put it in the comments field, and I'll take a look at it next week. Have a good rest of the week. So long.